Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today I'm super excited to be at the AWESMR toy store. Oh, here comes my first customer. Whoa, was not expecting the Grinch.
Hey, I need some gifts for the town kids.
Really? You're actually giving gifts?
Yeah? What's it to ya?
Nothing, I just wasn't expecting that.
Turns out those bratty whoos aren't as bratty as I originally thought.
Aw, your heart is growing. Way to get in the Christmas spirit.
Yeah, whatever. So you got anything good in here or not?
Yep, I have tons of toys for you to choose from. Why don't you go take a look around and then I'll meet you back at the register.
Fine. Leave me alone. So how'd I do?
Whoa, look at that haul. You got some really good stuff.
Your store's not terrible. Good for you.
Thank you?
Yeah. Now ring me up.
Sure thing. The first toy he picked out is a Minecraft mystery box. That's $3. The next one is a Harry Potter Lego minifigure. That one is $5. Ooh, check out this Puppy Dogs Pal crate. That one's $2.50. Here's a little Woodsy Babies. That's $4.25. Let's see what else you got. This is a Tsum mystery pack. That costs $4.75. And lastly, he wants this Smooshy Mushy Cupping Cakes. That one is $5.50.
What's the damage?
Your total comes out to $25.
$25? That's robbery! But fine. Take it, you thief.
Thank you. Alright, no change needed. I'll pack everything up for you. Happy holidays! I hope they love their gifts.
They better. Let's put one up
This
here.
side needs some.
Maybe put that a little bit higher.
This is looking great, guys.
Ornaments. Hello, kids. Guess what I have?
Oh no, please don't ruin our Christmas tree, Mr. Grinch. We've been working so hard on it.
Just leave us alone, you Grinch.
Guys, be nice. Why are you here, Mr. Grinch?
I know I've been mean to you guys lately, and you didn't deserve it, and I thought I'd make it up to you. I picked out some gifts for each of you to say Happy Holidays.
Really?
Really? This bag is full of them. Have a look.
Whoa! Those are awesome! You're not so bad, Mr. Grinch. I can't believe you did this. See, guys? We just had to give him a chance.
Hey everyone, I can help you open these presents.
Yes, please.
The first toy is a Lego minifigure from the movie The Fantastic Beasts. Let's open it up. Here's the collector's guide. Let's pour out all the pieces and then build it. We got Cho Chang. She attends Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry and was sorted into the Ravenclaw house. If you could be a part of any house, which would it be? The next toy is the Tsum mystery pack from Series 12. Here's the collector's guide. We got Aurora, who's also known as Sleeping Beauty. She was cursed by Maleficent to die on her 16th birthday, but fortunately Merryweather was able to change the curse, and instead of dying, she would fall into a deep sleep, only to be awakened by true love's kiss. This is a Smooshy Mushy cupping cakes from Series 4. Inside we have a Smooshy pet, a sticker, a mini bottle, a mystery pet, a name tag, and a Smooshy bottle. Here's the sticker. This is the mini bottle, and inside of it has a chain for the name tag. And here's the surprise bestie. How adorable is this cake pop? It says, always stuck in sticky situations, the mischievous pets need their besties to pull them out. Check out the collector's guide. Our best friends are named Molly Mare and Sarah Sprinkle Pop. Up next is a Minecraft mystery box from Series 13. You can see the options on the sides of the box. We got the fence cow. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of Minecraft is. The next toy is a little woodsy surprise babies. There's a cute animal inside this crib. Let's open it up. Aw, cute! We got a little white rabbit. I love his green diaper and blue bib. He also comes with a little milk bottle. Time for bed, little guy. Check out this puppy dog pals crate. Inside we'll get 2 animal friends. You can see all the options on the other side. Our crate is green, blue, and yellow. Here's a collector's guide. Let's see what our first pet is. This one is Happy Bingo. What a cutie! Let's see who the second one is. It's Swim Time Raleigh. These 2 are besties. Let's put them in the crate. Off we go! Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys all have a happy holidays. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!